Hello everyone. Today, we are discussing the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, which is the supreme law of the land. For the full content without audio, please read the screen document. The Pillars of Pakistan's Legal System Introduction. The supreme law. We focus on the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973. The supreme law of the land. It is more than just a document. It is the source of all authority, dictating the structure of our state, the separation of powers, and the foundational rights of every citizen. In any legal interview, it stands as the central theme, connecting every other piece of legislation. The constitutional framework and evolution. The Constitution answers the most fundamental interview question. What is the state's mechanism? It defines the roles of the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. More critically, it enshrines fundamental rights. Your answers regarding civil liberties, freedom of speech, and right to fair trial are all anchored in Articles 8 through 28. The operational legal codes. If the Constitution is the blueprint for justice, the procedural codes are the tools that build the structure. These are the cornerstones of practical legal knowledge and frequent interview questions. 1. The Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, 1860. This defines the offences. What constitutes cheating, murder, or theft? The PPC provides the substantive law. 2. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. CRPC, also known as Act 5 of 1898. This dictates the procedure, the process of arrest, investigation, bail, and trial. The Constitution guarantees due process. The CRPC provides the roadmap. 3. The Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908, similarly. This governs how civil disputes, from property matters to contractual breaches, are litigated in the courts. 4. Qanun-e-Shahadat Order 1984. This is the law of evidence. How do we prove a fact in court, whether civil or criminal? This order provides the rules on relevancy and admissibility.